Alright, no.
Off me, bro! Get off me! Get the off of me!
Stop resisting!
Get the off me!
On 25th of July, 2023, officers were dispatched to a school in reference to a suspended student who was refusing to leave the premises.
So I want her in Lippa's office. At this point now, she needs to go to the front office.
Alright, I'm gonna tell. This is what I'm gonna tell you, okay?
You probably need to give the phone over to Corporal so he can talk to Mom. Or I can talk to Mom.
Either we go to the front office or they've already said. Alright, they've already said you're suspended, so if you go in that building, I'm gonna put you in
Bro,
cuffs.
they're literally on me right now. Back the up!
Alright, no.
Off me, bro! Get off me!
Stop.
Get the off me!
Stop.
Get off of me! Ooh! Oh my! Get the off of me!
You need to stop.
Off
Off of me! Off of me!
Stop.
You need to stop.
Get the off of me! Ow, he's literally banging my head off!
Stop.
Get the off of me!
Stop resisting!
Get the off! He needs to get off of me, bro. I just banged the out of my head. He just got banged the fuck out of my head. Get the off of me.
Stop.
Bro, my head literally is
Alright,
so
get on your stomach.
Get the off of
Get
me.
on your
I'm not
stomach.
doing shit, bitch.
Get on your stomach.
He needs to get off of me. He's
Get
literally-
on your stomach.
Get the off of me. He literally banged the out of my head. Get me the off the ground. Get the fuck off of me,
This
bro.
whole thing is unnecessary.
It's and no, my mom is calling me. Stop.
You told you were suspended. You were asked to go to the front office. You were asked to go to the front office.
Off of me. Get the fuck off of me, bro. You're f***ing weird. Get the fuck off of me. No, get the fuck off. Get the fuck off of me. I don't give a fuck. Listen, stop touching me.
Alright, get on your
You're
stomach.
literally touching me right now, dog.
Your stomach.
Off of me. I'm not going nowhere till my mom gets here, bro. What the f***?
That's not how this works.
Your choice. You need to do what he's asking.
You're doing this for no reason right now. What the f***, nigga? Get the fuck off.
Yeah, right on a 0307. 54, you re-enter the building.
You're resisting him?
He need to get the f*** off of me. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. Please get off me. I don't like it. I can't breathe. I literally don't like it. Okay, I'll get up. Just please stop. Okay, I'll get the f*** up.
Put your hands behind your back.
I'm not getting on the floor. Pick me up and I'll put them behind my back. I will
That's not
once
how
I
we're
get
doing
the
it.
f*** up.
That's not going to be a choice.
Oh my God, I'm not going on my back. He just literally handcuffed me. Standing up.
Okay, then allow him.
Okay, he's pushing me down though. I can't
Give me your arm. Give me your
I'm
arm.
not getting on the floor. I'm gonna stand the f*** up.
Get me your arms.
I'm
No,
standing
you're not getting up.
He just said I can.
Behind your back.
I'm not standing. He's not pushing me on the f***ing ground. He's not
Alright,
up.
put your hands behind your back.
Up. I'm gonna stand the f*** up. What the f*** am I gonna do?
No, I said no.
I don't give a f*** handcuff me. No one's taking it that f*** serious, nigga. Throw this f*** up. Y'all are so f*** unnecessary. Y'all can all leave my f***. That was unnecessary as f***. I was walking the f*** lunch. See? Now I have to put me on the f*** ground, bitch.
That's 0307. I got one to say.
0307,
Reason right now. Why are you doing that f***ing tighter? No one was f***ing doing anything.
copy that, great 10-3, show your traffic cleared at 1028.
Bro, you're tightening it for no f***ing reason right now. Oh my f***ing God. Can you loosen it? There's no f***ing reason for this.
3 to SO, 307, I still surrounded for 51 you from the front office.
Done. Walk out all you f***ing
West.
My office.
Stop f***ing pushing me around with a f***ing toy, nigga.
Alright, 40 copy.
No, come on.
Someone's pinching me.
I'll be able to fix it in.
Someone's pinching me right
I'll be able to fix it in there.
No, fix it right the now. Unnecessary. I don't know what the y'all are doing. Shit school.
Go ahead.
Can't do y'all worry about the
We're
mama.
doing 2 separate
You guys don't
calls.
want to y'all are arresting me for y'all sound dumb.
Put everybody else on it.
Good. Alright. I'm gonna go down here, take a right, and then take a left. You got your pair? Yeah. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take these off you. You're going to put your hand on top of your head afterwards, okay? That way we can put different ones on.
Now go to SSG 121.
That hand on top of your head. Put it on top of your head first.
22.
That one on top of your head also. Or
So, Miss take your bracelets off and leave them with your mom, or do you want them to go with you?
You want to take them?
What about your necklace?
Did they take it off?
yeah, they're going to make you take all that off. So we'll give it to mom.
You got some anklets?
I can't take off them.
Okay, I got you. You're not gonna fall. Is that it?
Yeah, that one can't come off.
Okay.
You better shove your nose ring all the way up in there. What? They take off the nose ring? They might, I don't know.
They probably will make you take it out.
Shove it in there.
You already have the PC I gave you, right?
Yeah.
You have anything in your pockets? What's this?
You didn't have it. $100 in there.
Okay, fair enough. Just gonna make sure you don't have anything in your pockets, okay?
I think there's a mint usually in there.
A mint?
There's 2 of them. A what?
Alright.
A mint.
Like a Tic Tac or a mint?
Mint.
Whoops.
Oh, the things you took from me?
Yeah, there's another one right here. Like we got a necklace or a rubber band.
That's the one, 2, 2, 2, 3. What are we going to start traffic today?
What's that? Your mom? Yeah, absolutely. You want to get the rest of her stuff?
Mr. 20, I'm going to go ahead and get started that way.
What the hell?
There's like that's a signal 4 with an 81-year-old male conscious breathing.
They'll call you here in a little bit to come pick her up. Like I said,
Okay.
that's if she doesn't point out. I cannot imagine with this being her first arrest that she would point out.
Okay.
So no promises because I don't have the sheet in front of me, but I could not imagine her going to JDC. So they'll most likely be calling you to pick her up today.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
And then can I have you come back in with me so we can give you the rest of the paperwork? Can you let me back in?
All right. Yeah, I'm heading back to my office.